Hello YouTube, today I'm opening 2 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy packs. I'm sorry if I don't have 2, but I'm not rich, so but I shall open them now. There we go. Hope I get, ooh, let's see, ooh, so see, very mature girl, don't have her, so yay. Rare, or Fire Fist, Dragon, that's a cool dragon. Oh. And here's my second pack. Only if I could open them easy, right? Okay, there we go. Mind Drain. I don't know, I just don't feel like saying all the names, sorry. Ooh, don't have him, rare. Oh, no super rares or nothing else, that sucks, but here's the rest. And Shark Fortress. That's cool. Oh, yep, that's it for this video. I just got 2 rare XYZ cards. Here they are. I'll move my thumb. Oh, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and whatever you want. Peace.